Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to fix Creator Font not showing up on TikTok phone. To start, open your TikTok app. Once open, you can now go over your profile. It's on the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. You can check now your creator tools. After, hit back, tap on the lines again, and this time, go to Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down and look for Report a Problem. This will take some time to load. Once the window has loaded, all you're gonna do right now is search for the issue that you are concerned with. Type in Creator Font not showing up on TikTok. It should all be stated on the window in front of your screens. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.